Welcome to Top Review Lab. The best Aeron Arm Pads is probably one of the most crucial yet often overlooked components of your Herman Miller Aeron chair, directly impacting your comfort and productivity during long work sessions. These aren't just simple accessories, they are engineered to complement the ergonomic genius of the Aeron, providing a supportive and comfortable resting place for your arms, which can significantly reduce strain and fatigue, ultimately enhancing your overall seating experience and allowing you to focus on your tasks without distraction. Number 5. Everlasting Comfort Office Chair and Wheelchair Arm Pads. Experience ultimate comfort with our premium memory foam arm pads. They feature a cooling gel layer, offering a soft and supportive surface for your arms during work or gaming sessions. Say goodbye to discomfort caused by long hours of sitting. These pads provide the perfect cushioning to prevent elbow and forearm fatigue, whether you're at your desk or in the car. Enhance your posture and reduce upper body stress. By raising your chair arms, these pads help create a more ergonomic seating position, especially for chairs with limited adjustments. Our armrest covers feature a secure, non-slip design with durable fasteners. They stay firmly in place, ensuring a stable and comfortable experience without constant readjustment. These arm pads are FSA and HSA approved, making them an accessible choice for comfortable padding. They provide a soft surface for your arms, perfect for work or gaming, and are covered by your health savings accounts. What we like. If you experience elbow and forearm fatigue during long sitting sessions, these arm pads offer a cooling memory foam solution. They are also FSA/HSA eligible, making them a practical choice for comfort and well-being. Consider these if you're looking for accessible, fatigue-relieving padding. What people say. The memory foam with cooling gel feels soft but supportive, making long hours at my desk so much more comfortable. They are easy to attach with the straps, stay in place without slipping, and the breathable mesh cover keeps them cool even after extended use. Height adds about 2.5 to 3 inches of lift, which can improve posture and visibility at a desk or table. Designed to fit most office chairs, wheelchairs, car seats, and even airplane seats. The non-slip bottom keeps it securely in place. Made from high-density memory foam with a gel-infused, ventilated design to keep you cool and supported. Medium firm, soft enough for comfort, but firm enough to maintain shape and provide orthopedic support. It helped by miles. Great product, easy to strap on. If you need extra elbow support, this will solution well. Number 4. Engineered now headrest for Herman Miller Aeron chair. Introducing the original headrest designed specifically for your Herman Miller Aeron chair. Experience unparalleled comfort and support, crafted to perfectly complement your existing setup. Selecting the right size is crucial for optimal comfort. Choose H3 if you are under 5 feet 11 inches or H4 if you are 5 feet 11 inches or taller. Ensure you pick the size that best suits your body for maximum ergonomic benefit. Our headrest is engineered to flawlessly match your Aeron chair's classic carbon color, frame, and mesh weaving. Achieve a cohesive look and feel that enhances your workspace aesthetic. Enjoy the same peace of mind as with your chair, thanks to our 12-year limited warranty. This ensures lasting quality and support for years to come. Designed for ergonomic performance, it provides essential head and neck support. Maintain comfort and proper alignment, even during extended periods of sitting. Featuring a free-floating system, it offers effortless tilt and height adjustments. Lock in your preferred angles for a truly custom fit and enduring comfort. What we like. For those seeking enhanced ergonomic performance and support for their head and neck, this accessory is a great option. It comes with a 12-year warranty, matching the chair's own coverage, and is designed to perfectly complement the mesh and frame. If you prioritize long-term comfort and a seamless aesthetic, this is the choice for you. What people say. It not only works seamlessly but also complements the chair's design aesthetic beautifully. The assembly fits snugly on the top edge of the chair. The contours of the plastic body seem custom fit for the chair, so I didn't experience having to force it into place, or any unsightly gaps and general incorrect fit. It looks good and seems OEM quality frankly, thus far, and even the material matched my chair's pattern and color exactly. The design, materials, and color are a perfect match for my Aeron charcoal chair. This headrest is exactly what I needed to handle it. Now that I can lean back to support my neck, and it actually helps me with my posture. Number 3. Herman Miller Classic Aeron Size B Seat Replacement. This is a replacement seat specifically designed for the Herman Miller Classic Aeron chair in size B, medium. Please ensure your chair is the classic model, as it is not compatible with remastered versions. Revitalize your chair with this full mesh seat replacement. It's designed to perfectly replace worn, sagging, or torn seats, bringing new life to your Aeron. With exact dimensions of 20.25 inches wide by 18 inches deep, this seat ensures accurate alignment with your original size B frame. It's engineered for a proper fit. Experience superior ergonomic support with our durable graphite mesh. It provides a firm foundation for your back and promotes airflow, keeping you comfortable even during extended use. Replacing your seat is effortless. This pre-assembled seat comes with clear instructions, requiring no additional hardware for a straightforward installation. What we like. If your current Herman Miller Aeron chair seat is worn or sagging, this full mesh replacement is the perfect solution. It's designed for a precise fit on size B classic models and offers durable support with excellent airflow. Choose this if you need to restore your chair's comfort and functionality with a straightforward installation. What people say. It's an entire new seat, not just the mesh. The mesh is the same stretchy material as the original. It looks identical to the original seat as far as I can tell. The mesh feels sturdy, supportive, and identical to what came with the chair originally. Installation was simple, and once it was on, I honestly couldn't tell the difference. This fits exactly like the old seat, everything lines up precisely and is every bit as comfortable as the original seat. Number 2. MingYi.office Vinyl Arm Pads for Herman Miller Aeron Chair. Introducing premium vinyl arm pad covers designed specifically for your Herman Miller Classic Aeron chair. These are available in a sleek graphite black finish. Our arm pads are engineered to fit all sizes A, B, and C of the Herman Miller Classic Aeron chair, as well as task and stool chairs. Enjoy a perfect fit every time. Experience superior comfort with these arm pads. They provide cushioning to relieve pressure between your arm and elbow, ensuring you feel comfortable throughout your workday. Crafted with a 100% polyurethane finish, these arm pads contour to your body. They are designed to be soft, comfortable, and effectively relieve pressure points. Replacing your old arm pads is simple with our easy-to-install design. Plus, enjoy peace of mind with a 2-year limited warranty on your purchase. What we like. For owners of the classic Herman Miller Aeron chair looking for comfortable arm support, these vinyl arm pads are a solid choice. They provide essential cushioning to relieve pressure points and are easy to install. If you want a cost-effective way to enhance arm comfort with a decent warranty, consider these. What people say. They look great and I believe are slightly more cushiony than the stock vinyl pads. Install was super easy. The material is firmer than the original and that is pretty evident in the pictures. There is a bit of give, but not a lot. To me, these are a perfect replacement and are an inexpensive way to refresh your Aeron chair. These arm pads were a perfect fit and very easy to install. These are harder than the original leather arm pads, but I did expect that. I also expect that these will last longer, too. Number 1. Herman Miller Classic Aeron Chair Leather Arm Pads. Introducing premium leather arm pads designed specifically for your Herman Miller Classic Aeron chair. These are the perfect replacement for your worn-out armrests. Whether you have a size A, B, or C classic Aeron chair, task chair, or stool, these arm pads provide a perfect fit. Experience enhanced comfort for all your seating needs. Relieve pressure on your arms and elbows with our cushioned arm pads. The soft, leather finish contours to your body, ensuring maximum comfort during long work sessions. Please note, these arm pads are exclusively for the original classic Aeron chair model. They are not compatible with the remastered version. Replacing your old armrests is simple and straightforward. Enjoy peace of mind with our 2-year limited warranty on these comfortable and durable accessories. What we like. If you own a classic Herman Miller Aeron chair and desire a premium feel for your armrests, these leather-finished pads are ideal. They offer excellent pressure relief and a soft, comfortable surface. Opt for these if you're looking to upgrade the tactile experience of your chair with a touch of luxury and a reliable warranty. What people say. Quality leather, nicely stitched. Replaced the originals precisely. Fit perfectly. Good leather. Smells good. They were very easy to install and look nice on the chair. They fit just like the OEM arm pads. The texture of the faux leather is fairly nice, and the stitching looks good. You can find the Amazon purchase link in the description below. Hope this video can be helpful to you. Thanks for watching.